and thank you for joining us with Map Business Online's video demonstration. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the toolbar settings in Map Business Online. This is going to go by fast, just so you can get a sense of everything really quickly. First thing I'm going to show you up here in the corner is a help button where you can go and read about frequently asked questions and how-tos in terms of processes on Map Business Online. The second place we're going to go is over here to the pan and zoom toolbar. So you can move that toolbar up and down to zoom in and out. You can go to your back button to get you back to the place you just were. You can click on the US full view or the world full view, and you can actually turn that little magnifying glass into a zoom tool so that you can zoom in and out. You can use the control bar to go the opposite, the control key to go to the opposite direction. I'm going to click back to the US, and I am going to turn off the magnifying glass. Over here on the left-hand side, when closed, is the Map and Data tab. You click on that and open it up, and it's your home base for turning data sets on and off, and for working with other data layers within the map. You can go in and edit the properties of the map, get transparencies and that kind of thing in the Map and Data tab. Heading on up to the toolbar up here, you can actually input a zip code or an address and zoom to a location on the map. So that's an easy little navigation button just for getting around the map quickly and dropping a point. It is not a place where you can actually import data. All data comes in to Map Business Online with these two buttons. This one on the left would allow you to go out and navigate to your data on your desktop and import data. The next button allows you to import pre-formatted territories. So if you have a spreadsheet that has zip codes and territory names already formatted, you can pull them in using this Create Territories button. This button allows you to save files for future use. You can set up map files for revenue, set up map files for resource management, set up map files for a variety of different subjects, and get little previews of your various maps there. This button allows you to color code with circles, making circles larger and smaller to make your point in presentations. This button lets you put charts on the map, so you could compare 3 years of sales on the map using sort of charts as a symbol. This is your color code by data point button, which lets you go in and access icons and color codes and sizes to put data on the map. And you can see where we've actually color coded some of our data here. This button lets you color code by county, state, or zip code, so it would fill in those geographic segments accordingly. You can use your data, or you can use embedded demographic data. This allows you to delete any of the color coding functions you've input, these 4 buttons. This button allows you to conduct radius searches of your data, so you can go down and circle the data and search that data. This button allows you to actually do free-form drawing on the map. You can draw lines, polygons, and circles, and add text. You can measure from one point to another across the application. You'll see that the measuring tool actually adds up all the line segments. This button allows you to share your map as a URL with your constituents, so you can share that map across the people that you have in your network. It is not for general public display. This is a print tab that lets you print standard 8.5 by 11 and also save to a PDF for large format printing. You can save your map files here as JPEGs or PNGs for embedding in PowerPoint presentations or emailing to customers. And then this opens up the data window, which would allow you to view the data that you've imported onto the map. And it also gives you some routing tools. You can see that little car opens up and allows you to start, stop, finish a route, which can be managed here with the route button at the end of the toolbar. That, in a nutshell, is all of the tools on Map Business Online. Go to mapbusinessonline.com to take our free trial. Thank you very much.